Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BN-Link app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BN-Link is a smart home app designed to control BN-Link smart plugs, outlets, timers, and other compatible devices. It allows users to turn appliances on or off remotely, create custom schedules, set countdowns, and monitor power usage, all from their smartphones. The app also supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free convenience. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is generally easy to use with a simple layout that makes setup quick and device management intuitive. Most users appreciate how reliably it connects to smart plugs and how convenient scheduling becomes once everything is configured. Integration with Alexa or Google Assistant is seamless for most users, adding to the hands-free experience. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users have reported difficulties during the initial Wi-Fi setup, especially with 5 GHz networks since the app works best with 2.4 GHz. There are occasional complaints about connection drops or delays when controlling devices remotely. And while the app supports energy monitoring, not all devices offer this feature, which can be confusing. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, BN-Link is worth using if you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to automate your home. It offers solid core features like scheduling and remote control, with decent voice assistant support. Just make sure your network and device models are compatible for the best experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.